Health pioneers present, how to use witch hazel to clear up your skin fast. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more relevant health topics. What is witch hazel? The witch hazel plant, which has the species name Hamamelis virginiana, is a type of plant native to North America and a member of the Hamarmelidaceae plant family. Sometimes also called winterbloom, the bark and leaves of the witch hazel plant are used to make a skin healing astringent. Top 10 uses and health benefits. Witch hazel has been used for centuries to naturally help treat and prevent acne, skin sores, bruises, redness and swelling, ingrown hairs, psoriasis or eczema, oily skin, excess sweating, varicose veins, cracked or blistered skin, insect bites, poison ivy, irritated scalp, sunburn and melanoma, razor burn, mucous membrane inflammation, hemorrhoids, allergic reactions. Recent studies even show that the tannins found in witch hazel may exert a protective action against colon cancer cells. 1. Reduces acne. What does witch hazel do for acne? As a natural home remedy for acne, applying witch hazel to acne-prone skin can help slow down bacteria growth and decrease inflammation, redness, oiliness and bleeding. 2. Fights signs of aging and damage from sun exposure. What does witch hazel do to your face? Does witch hazel fade dark spots? Can it tighten skin? 3. Treats insect bites. Many bug repellents and commercial products used for treating insect bites contain witch hazel. Wondering how to get rid of mosquito bites? People turn to witch hazel to reduce the effects of bug bites, such as pain and swelling from stings, allergies and irritations. 4. Cleanses hair and protect the scalp. Use witch hazel on your hair to help reduce oil buildup. This leaves your hair shinier, healthier and more volumized. It's also great for removing hair odors, helping with an irritated scalp, or speeding up healing from any bites or acne at the base of the neck when you're prone to sweating. 5. Prevents ingrown hairs and rashes after shaving. You can apply witch hazel to any part of the body to slow bleeding from nicks or cuts, prevent bacteria growth and infections within hair follicles, soothe razor burn, and prevent ingrown hairs from forming. 6. Stops ear infections from developing. Since witch hazel is an effective antibacterial, and swimmer's ear or other ear infections are usually caused by bacterial infections, it's a natural way to treat irritations within the ear canal. 7. Soothes a sore throat. Some people like sipping on witch hazel tea, not witch hazel water, or a drink made with extract, which contains isopropyl alcohol, to soothe an irritated, infected or sore throat. 8. Stops pet odor and bug bites. Witch hazel can stop excess bacteria from forming on the surface of your pet's skin, including in wounds or bites, which can lead to odor. 9. Treats hemorrhoids. Witch hazel also acts as a hemorrhoids home remedy. You can apply witch hazel water to the skin to help lower pain and inflammation caused by uncomfortable hemorrhoids. It's useful for relieving itching, irritation, bleeding and burning from hemorrhoids as well. 10. Protects your mouth, lips and gums. If you have blisters on your lips, inner cheeks or gums, turn to witch hazel to speed healing and get rid of pain and swelling. It's safe to apply the extract to the inside of your mouth to slow down bleeding, blisters, sores, bad breath odors and infections of the gums, especially when combined with other healing oils like coconut oil or peppermint oil. The skin is our largest and most vulnerable organ, so it could use all the support it can get. Skin is our natural barrier to the outside world and provides us with protection against UV radiation, chemicals in our food supply, bacteria and other germs, and environmental pollutants. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video.